I'm so excited for our students to enter the workforce in healthcare because we need them.
St. Kate's was founded to open doors for education for women. So it started with a social justice framework.
We have 17 degree programs from the associate level to the doctoral level. Having the opportunity to see all of them and to interact with students from those other disciplines and those other professions might open their eyes to other alternatives that they weren't thinking when they were coming here. It's that work with faculty on research. It's that opportunity in their clinical placements. It's that work with other students in some of our community classes where we're going to be out in the community, impacting in a positive way the health of others.
I remember shadowing my first surgery with a PA, and I was like, that is so cool. And I just felt like I had a spark of life again. I want to be part of the team, and I feel like that's something that St. Kate's emphasizes a lot.
Because of St. Kate's connections in our faculty and our faculty connections, we are able to do these amazing projects that wouldn't seem possible.
We're pretty hands-on, that we want to be able to help these students and give them the structure and support that they need.
We have partnerships with Mayo Clinic for their Summer Undergraduate Research Fellowship, as well as Health Partners Neuroscience Center. So we're able to piece together individualized approaches for our students to really respond to what they're interested in researching.
As a pediatric cancer survivor, it is amazing, and it's just so fulfilling that I get to now give back to that community by being able to do pediatric cancer research.
With Smart Clinic, it's groups of students from different departments that can all work together to care for patients that are underserved, uninsured, or underinsured. We can all work together to care for the patients, and that's our #1 goal and #1 priority.
Working with students to say, hey, you know, what can we do to improve or break down barriers, right? Improve the relationships and the connections, and break down barriers that communities might be facing.
Our simulation opportunities here on campus through the Institute of Simulation and Interprofessional Learning are top-notch.
I just really love this work at St. Kate's because we're living out the whole premise of ecological approach, building community, right? Building all these networks and relationships with all the different entities out there that work so hard and work together to ensure that people are getting everything that they need.
And being at a place like St. Kate's where I get to see those students daily, where I get to still interact with those students, when I get to hear the success stories from the students themselves or from our faculty, that's what gives me my motivation to continue showing up and continue to do everything that I can to ensure that those students' experiences are going to be of the best quality and set them up for the best possible path moving forward.